Here's your daily thought with Chief. Stop playing the replay button. Stop pressing the replay button. What do I mean? Stop revisiting those old memory lanes. Stop revisiting the places in your mind, the thoughts of the past, the hurts, the disappointments, the betrayal. Because every time you revisit and go down that memory lane, you reinvite the energies of the past, the wounded energy, the hurt, the pain, and you relive those emotions and you stay stuck in a time zone of the past. Growing up, I used to have a bishop who used to always say, you can't go forward driving, looking in the rearview mirror. So I want to encourage you to move forward in the energy of peace, of abundance, and love. Move forward with the mindset that all that you've gone through is for a lesson, to learn, to build your fortitude, to build your character. And if you do that, you'll be well on your way. Remember, this has been Divine Discussions with your host, Chief Apostle Veronica Yisrael. I love you all. And until next time, peace be with you.